criminal law issue is that since I'm on the criminal law angle, I wanted to see this one more case. All of us may think Nirbhaya is a case on facts. Nirbhaya is one of the landmark. The incident as such has shaken the country, and thereafter it went on for some time. And in a 3 judges bench, what is laid down after a very long time, a death sentence has been confirmed after understanding what are the aggravating or the mitigating factors while imposing death sentence. Because we see nowadays there is a trend that the courts are in fact slowly trying to see, or even there is a public opinion about grant of death sentence. So therefore, for two angles at least, Nirbhaya has lot of criminal law angle to that. A lot of criminal law evidence, CRPC is discussed, Evidence Act discussed. Several aspects are discussed in Nirbhaya judgment, which is 2017 6 SCC 1, which is Mukesh versus NCT Delhi. It's 39 in your list. 3 judges. One is Justice Deepak Mishra, one judgment by Justice Bhanumati. There are 2 judgments. See, in fact, the very crucial aspect in this, apart from other evidence, was a dying declaration, not a 3. So the question came very interesting. Whether dying declaration, when there were 3 in number, how to believe it, whether they can be believed, dying declaration by the victim injured can be believed for convicting. However, there were separate, independent corroboration for this dying declaration. There's no doubt about it. But the court dealt with all the 3 dying declarations, which were given in certain, there was some time limit, gap, 16/12/2012 before the doctor, 21/12/2012 before the second one was before the SDM, third was on 25th December 2012 before the Metropolitan Magistrate. 2 of them were only signs, couldn't speak after surgery, but there were certain writings. So court taking into, and there's a beautiful analysis of how to appreciate these dying declarations, whether they can form the basis of conviction is discussed. That's very important angle in that judgment. The second, as I said in the beginning of this judgment, is that about the death sentence, whether in what circumstances it can be imposed, the factors which are aggravating, which outweigh the mitigating circumstances. So that is discussed in several paragraphs beginning from 312 onwards. Probably around 340 or so, the discussion will be there up to 366. You will have to at least give some idea about this case, about how it emanated, what were the bullet points of considerations, and how the court came into the finding. See, I feel that